Hey everybody, today on Henry's How To's, I'm showing how to make a Mexican tortilla stack. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so we'll start off with one brown onion. And all we want to do with our onion is finely dice it. Next we'll bring across one red capsicum. Want to slice through the middle, take out the seed. And all we want to do is just finely slice this. You can dice it if you prefer. And let's move on to our stove. Alright guys, so just into a pan on high heat, I've just added 2 tablespoons of olive oil. To this we're going to add our onion and capsicum straight in. And to this we're going to add 500 grams of beef mince. And all we want to do is cook this all together until our mince has browned. Alright guys, so once your meat starts to brown, we're going to start seasoning with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of ground coriander, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of ground chilli, 2 crushed garlic cloves, and we'll just mix that all together. If you're feeling confident, you can toss the pan. So what we're going to do at this point is add in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, along with a 1/3 cup of water. Just mix that through. And at this point I'm going to add in 1 can of black beans. And we'll just mix that through. So just on a low to medium heat now guys, we just want to simmer this for around 10 minutes. Alright guys, so that's looking pretty good now. So I'm going to turn the heat off. And at this point we're going to start to preheat our oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Alright guys, so what I've got in front of me here is a 20 centimeter springform cake tin. I'm just going to add a tablespoon of olive oil to this. And all we're going to do is just grease it, including the sides. So now we're going to start with getting 1 tortilla wrap and placing it on the bottom of our tin. Now in total I have 8 tortilla wraps. So what we want to do is place our filling in, but divide it into 8 so we have enough for each layer. And just give it a thin layer, don't go too thick. Just like so. And all we're going to do is sprinkle a handful of cheddar cheese on. Once you've done that, we'll repeat the next layer. Just like so. So you just want to keep on repeating until all your wraps are finished. Alright guys, so once you get to the last layer, all we're going to do is add another tablespoon of olive oil. And just brush that all over. Just like so. And all we're going to do is sprinkle cheese on this layer. Just like that. So provided your oven is at 190 degrees Celsius, we'll go ahead and put this straight in. We're looking for a baking time around 15 to 20 minutes. We want this to be nice and golden brown. Alright guys, so I'm at the 20-minute mark now. As you can see, I've taken it out, and that looks really amazing. So we're going to let that cool down for a couple of minutes before we take it out. Alright guys, how amazing does that look? So let's finish it off with some freshly chopped parsley. And let's slice into it. And just have a look at that. That is just beautiful. There we go. So guys, serving wise, obviously this goes perfectly with sour cream and guacamole. In my case, I'm just going to keep it simple. I hope you like that, guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.